FoliFort reviews. Alma F developed the dietary supplement FoliFort to address baldness and going bald problems. It provides a conclusive solution for people suffering from debilitating disorders like alopecia, for example, or male pattern hair loss, inconsistent hairlessness caused because of immune system reaction of your body. FoliFort, which is advertised to all demographics, is implanted with a certified mixture of minerals, cell reinforcements, and regular hair tonics that strengthen your existing hair follicles and stimulate hair growth. It uses a potent combination of natural ingredients to give your hair a youthful, silky, grounded, and thicker appearance. FoliFort repairs hair damage brought on by air pollution, stress, smoking, poor dietary choices, alcohol, and other harmful natural effects. FoliFort has been described after extensive testing and investigation. It has so far aided a significant number of people in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and even 70s in achieving their hair goals. It is a 100% natural recipe prepared at a CGMP FDA-enrolled office in the United States using safe and effective ingredients. Scientifically proven ingredients in FoliFort and their benefits. FoliFort is made up of a variety of non-GMO spices, plant concentrates, and essential nutrients and minerals. Numerous logical arguments have supported the validity of every component found in FoliFort. All fixings are secure, informed, and taken into account clinically. Here is everything you need to know about FoliFort's essential components and their benefits in the context of science. Biotin, vitamin B7. A B vitamin called biotin is involved in many different metabolic processes in the human body. Normally, your digestive tracts produce it. However, some people may experience biotin shortage due to inherited reasons, dietary considerations, and gut issues involving the digestive system, such as inflammatory inside infection. A subclinical biotin deficiency may result in erythema, thinning hair, and weak fingernails, normally on the face. Supplements with biotin are frequently used to strengthen fingernails and hair. By strengthening your hair at the follicular level, biotin fights balding. By accelerating the production of keratin, the stringy underlying proteins that make up your hair and nails, it speeds up the growth of follicles. It makes your hair thick and strong enough to survive a variety of environmental pressures, such as chemical, such as toxins, mechanical, such as tight meshes or changing haircuts, and thermal, such as sunlight, heat harm due to fixing, twisting, and so on. Tuber fleece flower. Tuber will bloom is a Chinese spice that has long been used in traditional medicine and is recognized for its regenerating effects. Hanging plant FOT contains regular tonics and compounds that are harmful to compounds that are maturing. Its root can be used to create natural remedies for conditions like insomnia, high cholesterol, menstrual problems, malaria, atherosclerosis, and weakness. The adaptogenic qualities of tuber will bloom separate reduce scalp pressure. It accelerates cell regeneration in your scalp to increase the number of hair follicles, hence promoting hair growth. It prevents baldness, promotes hair development in bald spots, and gives your hair more vitality and importance. Selenium. Selenium, a trace element that is typically present in soil, plays a crucial role in your body's many metabolic processes and aids in the prevention of several diseases. It aids in the fight against many different types of cell damage, such as cell damage that results in baldness, thanks to its amazing cancer prevention agent capabilities. It helps the body get rid of free radicals, or professionals who damage cells oxidatively and weaken hair follicles and accelerate aging. By serving as catalysts that promote the healing of hair follicles, selenium stimulates hair growth by starting hair development and hair regrowth. It also aids in the treatment of dry hair. Nevertheless, selenium is more successfully organized when it is used to treat hair dryness. Pantothenic acid. Pantothenic corrosive, a water-solvent B vitamin, is required for a variety of metabolic processes in your body, including the combination and breakdown of proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates. Beyond its role in metabolism, vitamin B5 is essential for red platelet production, intestinal health, a healthy liver, and the regulation of stress-related hormones. skin breakouts, hypersensitivities, hair loss, dandruff, asthma, alcohol misuse, migraines, drowsiness, chronic fatigue syndrome, etc. are common in people who are deficient in vitamin B5. The nutrient B5 modifies individual hair shafts and protects hair follicles from environmental stress, which reduces balding, increases hair volume, and improves hair sensitivity. Supplementing with vitamin B5 is helpful in treating hair damage from heat styling. Keratin. Keratin, a protein, is the main structural component of your hair and accounts for 90% of it. It is a protective protein that is less prone to tearing or scratching than various body-produced cell types. Reduced hair volume, fragile hair, an unpleasant hair surface, balding, and bare spots on the scalp can all be caused by keratin insufficiency. Although there are many ways to provide the keratin your hair requires, oral organization produces the finest results. Keratin supplementation stimulates hair growth and restores your hair's original thickness. Your hair becomes smoother and less fuzzy as a result of the cells that cross over to frame your hair stalks being smoothed down. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid, a sugar atom found throughout your body, is a typical humectant that maintains the normal moisture in your scalp. Due to its hygroscopic qualities, it helps your hair absorb moisture from the air and retain excess moisture without soaking the interior hair structure. This significantly lessens baldness. Additionally, it improves blood circulation in the scalp, stimulating the growth of hair, particularly in areas that are naked. Zinc. For several bodily functions, such as DNA synthesis, protein fusion, tissue repair, quality articulation, enzymatic activity, development and improvement, and safe capability, one more trace element, zinc, is required. Zinc's role in protein fusion and tissue repair makes it essential for the growth of hair. Zinc deficiency can prevent hair regrowth and make your hair and scalp more vulnerable to environmental damage. Supplementing with zinc can help mitigate the effects of a diet low in the mineral. It provides your body with the right amounts of zinc to promote and repair hair growth. Additionally, it maintains the sebaceous oil, organs that surround your hair follicles, shielding your scalp from external strain. How does FoliFort work? After extensive investigation, scientists have discovered the steroid known as dihydrotestosterone as the primary cause of baldness, DHT. Because of the combined effects of the enzyme 5-reductase and another enzyme involved in the breakdown of steroids, DHT is produced from testosterone. DHT can be found in various body organs, including the primary vesicles, epididymides, channels behind the testicles in males, liver, brain, prostate, skin, and hair follicles. The increased levels of DHT in hair follicles cause them to shrink, which leads to balding and top hair loss. FoliFort price and refund policy. FoliFort is predicted to cost $69 per jug. A month's worth of inventory is established by 1 jug and 60 cases. If you order a 3-month or 6-month supply, the price per bottle is reduced to $59 and $49, respectively. FoliFort offers 3 packages at different price points. Basic, with a 30-day supply, $69. $177 for Famous, 60-day supply. Best value, $294 for a 90-day supply.